Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by inspecting the mesh. This is critical. Enter edit mode now and enable overlays like normals and face orientation so you can see flipped faces or non-manifold edges. Once done, isolate problem islands using L or hide parts with H so you don't accidentally fix the wrong area. You'll also want to check object scale and apply transforms. Inconsistent scale changes how modifiers behave. These quick checks tell you what tools will be needed next. Now fix topology and normals. This is the core of the process. First, merge nearby vertices with merge by distance using a tiny threshold to avoid collapsing intended detail. Next, recalculate normals with Shift plus N so lighting and shading behave. If a face still looks wrong, flip it manually. Once normals are consistent, clean up ngons and messy geometry with the knife, dissolve, or bridge tools. Make quad loops where possible for deformable meshes. Make sure to check non-manifold edges and fix holes as you go. Finish by applying modifiers in the proper order and validating results. For instance, apply scale before subdivision to prevent distortions. Once applied, run Blender's mesh analysis for non-manifold geometry, intersecting faces, and zero-area faces and fix any flagged items. Make a backup before destructive fixes, duplicate the object, or save a new file. If problems persist, use Boolean or remesh as a last resort, but preserve UVs and vertex.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.